All right, guys, here we are at Reckless Hobbies in Wareham, Massachusetts, getting back into the RC racing. Just got my car set up on the track with the lap counter and everything. Gonna go ahead and play around on this track and see how horrible I am. Like I said, it's been about 30 years since I've raced an RC car. I'm gonna be horrible, I'm gonna smash and I'm gonna crash, but I'm gonna try to get around this track and see if I can't get anything that looks like a lap time. Whoops. Nice. And I'm out. I got a transponder in my car. It's a little like chip that every time you go over it, it counts your lap time. And it's been keeping track right there. Okay, so we got my last lap was 15.71. My fastest is 15.25. But that's pretty cool. Good way to tell if you're improving is watching those times. Now, I don't know what a good lap time is on a stock setup car on this track, but I know it's going to be a lot less than the 15 seconds that I just posted. Not a big fan of that. Ah, you kidding me? You guys got enough of this camera angle. Plus I want to check to see what our battery is looking like on the camera. Oh, we're good. 65%, nice. All right. Ah, all right. All right, all right. We're all right. Yeah, let's see if we can take out the camera. Whoops. Bash and crash. Yep. Nice. Hacking. Every time the thing's in air, you're thinking, land on your feet. Yeah, a little sloppy. Tried to save it. Let me show you guys around a little bit. All right, so we see this track, and we got a couple of these mini, looks like little rock crawling setups. And we got our little trophy stand here. First, second, third place. This over here. Another really nice little rock crawling setup. And down under here, we've got a little drift track. I believe that's what this is. Judging by the swooping curves. And then over here, we've got all the pit areas. That's where I'm set up here. And she runs all the way down the whole wall. And then we're back over to the track. And then up here, this is some type of small scale racing track. So now we're up high overlooking the whole place. That right in there is right in here is where we stand, where you were originally set up at the beginning to overlook the track there when you're racing. Got like a little DJ booth looking thing over there. And that's where the timer and everything is all set up. So yeah, like I said, really nice setup, and guy definitely did a great job kind of keeping this hobby alive, in my opinion. So let me just run you through a quick, not going to do the store right now because there might be some customers in there or whatever, but I'll show you the birthday room. It's a little dark in here, but hopefully it'll work out. And here's the birthday area. You have your kids come here with all their friends. Got all the controllers lined up and all the trucks all set up. And then right through here is the store with all the parts and all the stuff you can imagine. So, really cool place, guys. Any of you old-timer remember these Tamiya's? This is how I started out, with one of the Grasshoppers. And the Schumacher Cat, that was like the fast one for a while. There's my first racing car when I raced the original RC10, which is what I got now. Optima, that was Kyosho, nice machine there. I think that was like a chain drive, four-wheel drive. The old Blackfoot. Remember the Frog plastic chassis with the shocks on the side? It was the same as the Blackfoot basically, but they're just the smaller tires. All right. Looking like a drunk driver on this thing right now. I had some clean laps. Oh boy, how am I gonna get myself out of this? All right. I think my battery's finally getting weaker. Almost dumbfounded. I can't believe this battery's still going. I don't know what to... I wasn't planning this. I thought it was just going to be maybe 15 minutes and I'd be out. And then I'd have to sit and wait and charge. Say no more. She's out. If you haven't seen my last video, you guys probably haven't seen this car yet. Up close. Go ahead and shut her down. This is what we're running. Just got a Reedy S Plus stock 17.5, using all the stock settings. Got a, I think it's a Traxxas branded electric fan. I got a Reedy matching blue one coming, but that's all they had at the time. Like I said, I got the Redline battery. It's a 4,000 milliamp. Got the Hobbywing speed controller, the XR10 Pro GS2, I think it is. Got the Futaba radio, you already saw that. Here's our transponder for the lap counter, and then I got a Savox. It's actually right up there on the wall. Savox is the company. 1548G or something SG. It's about a $90 servo. Middle of the road, decent servo. But that's it, yeah. And there's all my first scratches from the carpet. New tires, I'm running the Schumacher Mini Dart in the back. And cut staggered, what do we got? Staggered low profile Schumacher tires. Like I said, all the stock settings, I've got some upgraded aluminum bits here and there. And I'll put the body on. And that's with the body, my graphics, Walker Mower branding, of course. And everything on here is something that I use. It's not just random stickers. Every product on here is something that's on this car. And that's what it is there, the RC10B 6.4. But yeah, there it is, guys. Hopefully you found this entertaining. You're either into these or you're not. So if you're into them, it was entertaining. If you're not, you're not. So one last look at our laps. Oh, it must have started over, because I had an 11 up there. But maybe that was when I jumped the track or something. Maybe I didn't actually have that. Don't want to miss this, guys. Out back of the place, they've got this monster off-roading course and track. Literally just goes on all through the woods, all up in the back there. All kinds of different obstacles. Hopefully it's showing up on the camera. But you can see the finish sign way down there. And then it starts here. Goes all through the back. I think it loops back and forth a couple of times. Again, lots of setup and investment time and love for the RC car thing. Make sure you come support these guys.